Yes, look at the third question now. The question is, the weights in kilogram of 15 students of a class are as follows: 38, 42, 38, 42, 35, 37, 45, 50, 32, 43, 43, 40, 40, 36, 38, 43, 38, 47. How many observations? 15 observations. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 15. Yes. Now they asked us to find the mode and median of the data. Is there more than one mode? We will find. Now first you arrange the data in a ascending order here. That is arrayed data. It is called as what? Arrayed data. Arrayed data. What is the least observation among the given? 30, below 30, just you go find below 30, 38, 37, 35, 37, 32, 36, 38. Upper least one is 32, I think so. 32, 32 after 36, before the 35, 35, 35, and then after the 35, after the 36. How many 36 we are having? Only 136, I think so. Yes. And then 36 after that, 37. How many 37? Only 137. And then 38. 1, 2, 3 here. 38 how many times? 3 times. 38, 38, 38, 38. And then 38 after, we don't have 39. And 39 after that, 40, 41. That's all. 40 after, do we have 41? No. Then 42, 42, 42, and then 43. 43 how many times? 3 times. 1, 2, 3 times. 43, 43, 43. And then after that, after 43, 44 we don't have. Then 45, 45. And then 45 after that, 47. And then 50. And then 50. Am I right here? Just to count the number of observation. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 15. Yes. Now find the median. First we will find the median. Median is, so we arranged the data in ascending order. Now just to count the number of observation, that is 15. 15 is an odd number. Therefore median equal to 15 plus 1 by 2th term. If n is an odd number, then median equal to n plus 1 by 2th observation. Then 15 plus 1 is 16. 16 by 2th observation. 16 by 2 is nothing but 8. Therefore 8th observation. Here what is the 8th observation? After arranging the data in ascending. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that median is 40 here. Otherwise what you can do? Strike out the first, last, second, second last. After arranging the data only, right? Then third, third last, fourth, fourth last, fifth, fifth last, sixth, sixth last, seventh, seventh last. Then what is left out? Only one number is left out, that is 40. If suppose if there are two numbers left out, you have to take the mean for that number. You have to take the mean for that number. That is also easy. I will tell you. I will explain you. Now come to the second part. That is mode you have to find. Mode. 32 occurs. I will write down here, dear. Mode. 32 occurs one time. And then 35 occurs only one time. Thirty-six occurs only one time. 36 occurs only one time. And then 37 occurs only one time. only one time. 38 occur 3 times. Occur 3 times. And then 40 occur only one time. 42 occurs only one time. Occurs only one time. And then 43 occur 3 times. And then 45 occurs only one time. 47 occurs only one time. And then 50 occurs only one time. 50 occurs only one time. Now, here which observation occurs maximum number of times? Yes, here 38 occur 3 times, as well as 42 also, 43 also occur 3 times. Therefore, there will be 2 more. Therefore, 38 and 43 occur maximum number of times, that is 3 times. So it is the maximum number of times. 3 is the maximum number. 1 here 3. So 1 and 3. From 1 and 3, among 1 and 3, which one is maximum? 3 is the maximum. So 38 and 43 occur 3 times. Therefore, mode of the given data are 38 and 43. 38 and 43. Am I right here? Here are we getting 2 modes? Yes, we are getting 2 modes here. The question is there more than 1 mode? Yes. Am I right here? Yes, there are 2 modes for the given weights of the students. What are they? 38 and 43. Yes. There are 2 modes. There are 2 modes. There are 2 modes. Am I right here? Yes. In the next video, we will see the solution for the next question. Thank you everybody. Thank you.